Hello and good morning. How are you all the students of grade 2? Hope you are all fine and doing well at home. I'm your social studies teacher Ms. Gul, and today we will read the page number 23 and 24 of your social studies book. Let's take out your social study book and open the page number 23 and 24. Today we will start the point 5 of unit number 2, rules for staying healthy and safe. Rules हम पढ़ेंगे for staying healthy and safe. Good health is very important for us. When we are healthy, we feel happy and cheerful. We can enjoy our studies and games. We don't have to go to the hospital or a doctor or lie in the bed feeling miserable. गुड हेल्थ हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छी होती है. जब हमारी हेल्थ अच्छी होती है तो हम अपनी स्टडीज़ को भी इंजॉय करते हैं, गेम्स को भी. हमें डॉक्टर के पास भी नहीं जाना होता, ना मेडिसिन्स खानी होती हैं और ना हमें बेड पे लेटना होता है. सो गुड हेल्थ इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. For good health, we have to follow some rules. You know that you should rule number first, have a bath or shower every day. Rules for staying healthy and safe. Rule number 1, we have to take the bath or shower every day. Rule number 2, comb your hair and brush your teeth. Comb your hair and brush your teeth. Rule number 3, wash your hands before and after eating food. Rule number 4, for staying healthy, wash your hands after you have been to the toilet. Point 5, cut your nails and keep them clean. And the last rule is keep your nose and ear clean. We have to follow these rules for staying healthy and clean. Common problems. 1. Lice, nits, itching, dandruff. Look at the picture. What is the boy doing? Why he is scratching his head? Maybe his hair are not clean, or he could also have lice. Lice are tiny insects that live in the hair. They bite into the skin, which make the skin itchy. They also lay their eggs in the hair. How can he get rid of this itching? He have to take the bath or use anti-lice shampoo or use the lice comb and make your head clean. Now look at the other two pictures. Why these boys are looking sick? 2 germs eating in stomach ache. This boy has the stomach ache. Why he have the stomach ache? Maybe the boy have eaten stuff from the pushcart. The food may not have been prepared with cleanliness and the germs have made her sick. 3. The boy has a toothache because of eating too much candies. Too much sugar causes tooth decay and pain, and it is not good for health. So we have to follow the rules to avoid such common problems. Look at these two pictures. Have you seen these pictures? when you go to the school or go outside with the family. The rubbish and the dirt and the smokes from the cars and the factories makes our environment dirty and polluted. Rubbish, dirt, garbage heap, open drains. These are all the favorite places of flies, cockroaches, and mosquitoes. Smoke and fumes from the cars or the factories cause eye problem and the lung diseases. We have to pay attention to keep our surroundings and cities clean. Do you know about these insects? Yes, it is a fly and a mosquito. Flies like dirty places. They pick up germs, they leave germs on food. फ्लाइज लाइक करती हैं डर्टी प्लेसेस को, वहाँ पे जर्म्स वो पिकअप करती हैं और जब वो हमारे फूड स्टफ़ पे आके बैठती हैं फ्लाइज, तो हमारा फूड स्टफ़ जो है वो पोल्यूटेड हो जाता है विद द जर्म्स. दे कैरी द जर्म्स, ये अपने साथ जर्म्स लेकर आती हैं. सिमिलरली मॉस्किटोज लाइक टू ले देयर एग्स इन डर्टी वाटर. डर्टी वाटर में अपने एग्स देते हैं और a mosquito bite can make you very ill. और मॉस्किटोज से हम बीमार हो जाते हैं. So in our houses we have the doors with nets, so these insects could not enter our house and make us ill. Did you know flies don't have teeth? Instead, they have a long tongue like a straw through which they suck up food. Keep flies off your food. Flies के teeth नहीं होते, tongue होती है just like a straw through which they suck up food. It's very interesting information. Okay, for staying healthy, what we have to do? We have to keep yourself clean and keep your surroundings clean. हमें अपने आप को साफ रखना चाहिए और अपने इर्द गिर्द की जगह को साफ रखना चाहिए. We should not throw rubbish on the road and should not litter your school ground. हमें गंदगी नहीं फेंकनी चाहिए बाहर रोड्स पर और litter your school ground, और हमें गंदगी नहीं फैलानी चाहिए अपने स्कूल ग्राउंड में. We can keep healthy by eating good food and by drinking boiled water. हमें अच्छी फूड खानी चाहिए और बॉइल्ड वाटर पीना चाहिए. We can keep healthy by having lots of exercises and by having enough good sleep every night. I think you enjoyed your SST video. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.